Right now, you're standing on top of the largest ocean on Earth. Not the Pacific, not the Atlantic. This one is hidden. It has no waves, no beaches, and no sunlight has ever touched it. It sits 700 kilometers beneath your feet. Scientists believe it holds 3 times more water than every sea on the surface of our planet combined, and nobody believed it existed. Then one tiny diamond, smaller than a grain of rice, shot out of a volcano in Brazil and blew the secret wide open. Our story starts in Juína, Brazil, a dusty mining region famous for ugly diamonds. Jewelers don't want them, but scientists actually fight over them. In 2014, researchers examining one battered little diamond noticed something strange trapped inside it, a microscopic speck of a rare mineral called ringwoodite. Ringwoodite only forms under insane pressure, the kind you find 500 to 700 kilometers underground, far deeper than any drill has reached. The deepest hole humans ever made reached just 12 kilometers before the heat started melting the equipment. This diamond came from 60 times deeper. And that speck of ringwoodite was wet. About 1.5% of its weight was water, locked inside the crystal. That sounds tiny until you do the math on just how much ringwoodite is actually down there. The answer changes everything we thought we knew. Now, before you imagine glowing seas with blind whales down there, sorry to disappoint, you could never swim in this ocean. The water isn't liquid, ice, or even steam. It's a strange fourth state, single molecules chemically trapped inside solid rock, like moisture inside a sponge. Except this particular sponge is a blue-tinted crystal layer wrapping around the entire planet, crushed at temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius. And if you somehow pumped it all up to the surface, sea levels would rise until only the highest mountain peaks poked out of the water. So how do we actually know it's real when no drill in history has ever gone past 12 kilometers? The answer, strangely enough, is earthquakes. Every big earthquake rings the Earth like a giant bell, sending seismic waves traveling straight through the planet. And those waves have a tell. They slow down and get soggy whenever they pass through wet rock, the same way that sound changes when you try to shout underwater. In 2014, scientists watched waves from hundreds of earthquakes crossing beneath North America. At transition zone depth, the rock was sweating. 2 completely independent lines of evidence, a wet diamond from Brazil and trembling waves under America, both pointing at the very same invisible ocean. Now for the twist. Ask most people where Earth's oceans came from, and they'll say comets, giant snowballs bombarding the young Earth. But there's just one problem with that story. Water in most comets carries a different chemical fingerprint than the water flowing out of your tap. The hidden ocean offers a much stranger answer. Our oceans didn't fall down from the sky. They slowly leaked out from inside the planet itself. Over billions of years, the churning mantle squeezed water out of the rock, volcanoes breathed it up into the sky, and it rained back down. The seas you swim in every single summer might literally be sweat from the planet's interior, and that system is still running to this day. Here's the part nobody expected. That buried ocean might be the reason Earth is alive and our twin planet Venus is dead. Venus is almost Earth's twin, same size, same neighborhood, but Venus is a scorching pressure cooker with no oceans and no moving plates. Water inside rock makes it soft and flexible. It's the grease in the gears of plate tectonics. No inner water, no stable climate, no life. So that invisible ocean isn't just sitting down there, it's quietly running the engine that rebuilds whole continents and keeps our climate in perfect balance. The next time someone says we've explored the whole planet, remember, we've mapped Mars better than the inside of our own world. So what else is waiting down there for its diamond? Subscribe for more of Earth's best-kept secrets, and stay curious.